Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Next point is callout shape. Okay, how to use the callout shape in MS Paint. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Children, you have seen that normally the dialogues in a comic book are displayed in a speech balloons. Okay, so whenever we read any comic books, in that comic books, the dialogues will be displayed in a speech balloons. You can see here. So this is one cartoon, and so whatever the message this cartoon wants to convey, so that message is displayed in a speech balloon in one shape. So this shape is called speech balloons. Okay, usually, so this type of images will be used in cartoon books or in a newspaper, also in some corner. So we will see this type of images and speech balloons. Let us say you want to use these speech balloons in your drawing also. So if you want to use these speech balloons in your drawings, so in that case, what will you do? Okay, here they given a question. If you want to use these speech balloons, so what are you going to do? You have two options. Either you draw them by using different tools of a paint, or you can make use of the colored shapes. See, we have two options. So one thing is you can draw that type of shapes by using different tools which are available in a MS Paint, or another option is by using a colored shape we can insert that type of speech balloon in our paint. Okay. Paint provides you with three different types of colored shapes. So paint provides three types of different shapes. So one is a rounded rectangular cutout, oval cutout, and cloud cutout. So three types of cutout shapes are given. One is a rounded rectangular cutout, second one is oval cutout, and so next one is cloud cutout. So then how to draw that cutout shape in MS Paint? See here, to draw a cutout in Paint, okay, steps are given. So these are the steps. Click on any of the cutout shapes from the shapes group. Okay, first of all, let me open a Paint. So MS Paint, I'm typing in a run window. So this is the paint window, and here we have a shapes group. Okay, so we have a shapes group and different types of shapes are given. So in this shapes group, so what our first point says, look at here, click on any of the colored shapes from the shapes group. Any one of the colored you can choose it. See here, so they have taken rounded rectangular cutout, oval cutout, and cloud cutout. You can choose. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area to draw the desired cutout. Okay, here, so in this rounded rectangular cutout I'm going to choose, and so in that rounded rectangular I want to fill the solid color. Okay, I want to fill the solid color, that is, we fill one orange color. Okay, so this is outline color and this is orange color, and I'll hold your left mouse button and drag it. Okay, see, it is drawn. Okay, so I have drawn rounded rectangular cutout. You can also fill color in the cutout and add text as and when required. Okay, in this, see already, so color is filled. See, once again I will show you. I will take oval cutout. So select that cutout shape. So what is the outline color you want? So that has to select in a color one, and which color you want to fill inside that shape. So that has to color in that has to select in a color two. Okay, by selecting color two, you can choose that. And in this fill option, so it must be selected, solid color must be selected. Then hold your left mouse button and drag it, so you will get a speech balloon. Okay, and in this speech balloon you can add the text also. How to add the text, I will type and I will show you. To add color, select the fill with color tool in the tools group and then click inside the colored shape. Okay, here they are using fill with color option. Okay, fill with color option means this option. Okay, choose that fill with color, and which color you want to fill, select that color and click inside that shape. Okay, now it is black color is selected. Let me choose here. Okay, it is selected. So fill with color option they are choosing. Okay, you can use this fill with color option also to fill the color inside that shape. So let me draw another cutout. Okay, yeah, I want to fill the color inside. So click on this fill with color option and choose the color. I'll choose red color. Okay, sorry, color 1 must be selected, red color, and color 2 I'll keep it white, and click inside. Okay, so that color will be filled in that shape. To add text in the cutout, select the text tool and click inside the shape. You will find a text box with a cursor inside it. Now type the desired text. Now if you want to add the text inside this shape, so let me see what text they have written. Rounded rectangular cutout. Okay, in this I want to type a text, so that's why select this text tool and click inside. Okay, click inside the shape and just start typing. All right, rounded rectangular color. Okay, cutout. Then see, it is red color. We don't want that red color. Let me choose black color. Okay, and let me increase the size here little bit. 24 size, and now it is not displaying. Sorry. Okay, so it happened. So let me remove it once again. Let me click here and size, let me reduce first, then add rounded rectangular. Spelling has gone wrong. I'll make it correct. Rounded rectangular cutout. So like this we can add the text. So once again here I'm going to add another text. Okay, so then to remove it, just click outside. Okay, so that box will be removed. So click on that text tool, select the color, which color you want to use for that text, and you can type oval color like this. So you can type the text. If you want to change the color, you can select it and you can choose the desired color from the color box, so that color will be filled in that shape. So in this way you can draw the different types of cutout shapes, and you can fill the color inside that shape, and you can add the text in that cutout shape. Okay, so I hope you have understood this point, how to use cutout shape, how to draw, and how to insert the text inside that shapes. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.